JBH Group, founded in March 2013, is a global leader in portable electric wheelchairs. We are committed to solving the problem of travel difficulties for the global aging population and limited mobility persons. The company focuses on the development and production of portable intelligent electric wheelchairs, portable electric folding scooter, sports wheelchairs, intelligent hospital beds and various mobility aids. In recent years, JBH Medical has obtained more than 50 patents, has been recognized as a high-tech enterprise, and won the titles of Nanjing Gazelle Enterprise and Nanjing Specialized and Special New Enterprise. Our products have been listed as the new technology product to be promoted and applied in Jiangsu Province, successively passed TÜV ISO 9001, TÜV ISO 13485, ISO 14001, ISO 18000 certification, EUCE certification and SGS etc. With the goal of bringing more convenient and better life to customers, continuous development and innovation have strongly reinforced our research and development team and acquired numerous national and international level patents. Hundreds of professional employees who have the team spirit of integration, gratification, innovative and customer orientation, continuously developing new products to contribute the elderly and handicappers a simple, easy and better life.